In this experiment, we are going to find out the proper way to preserve soft drinks. Soft drinks are beverages containing carbonic acid gas. When you open it up and pour it into a cup, you can see air bubbles coming out of the drink. Those bubbles are the ones that make drinks sparkling. But once you open it up and leave it outside for a long period of time, bubbles disappear and drinks turn into simpler sugar water. Let's find out how to have bubbles stay longer within drinks and keep it sparkling. The first question is, at what temperature should we put soft drinks? We have cold water and hot water here. And let's measure the temperature of each water first. Okay, as you can see, the cold water is almost 13 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, the hot water is over 50 degrees Celsius. Here, we have 2 bottles filled with cider. I will put one bottle into hot water and the other into cold water. Then let's observe how many bubbles appear in each bottle. Okay, now can you see the difference between the two? Write the result of this experiment on your worksheet first. Okay, the right bottle is in hot water and the left bottle is in cold water. As you can see, there are many bubbles are created and they're going up to the atmosphere in the right bubble. However, on the left in the cold water bottle, there are little bubbles are created and almost 1 or 2 bubbles are going up. Secondly, should we close the cap of the bottle when we preserve the soft drinks? Sometimes people ignore putting on a cap after drinking soft drinks. This is a very bad habit if you want to drink sparkling cider for a long time. This time, we will place both bottles filled with cider into hot water, but one on the right will remain open. What would happen to each bottle? Let's find out. In which bottle can you see more bubbles coming out? Once more, write the experiment result of this experiment on your worksheet. Okay, as you can see, the bottle without a cap on the right has more bubbles. And the bubbles are coming out more and more and more as the time passes. Why does this happen? This experiment concerns the relationship between the temperature of the soft drinks and its volume and the air pressure.